This is Rich from Insta360. Now there is no secret to the title of this video. If you have an Insta360 ONE X and you want to use the new features of the Insta360 ONE R mobile editing app, then you simply can. So let's take a look. So first, download the app and then make sure you've got a variety of clips on your camera ready to use when you start editing with the app. Connect your ONE X camera to the ONE R app in the same way that you would connect your camera to the ONE X app. On a couple of occasions, an internal error came up when I tried to connect my camera to the ONE R app. So in order to get around this, I went directly to my phone's Wi-Fi settings and connected to the phone's Wi-Fi that way, and this seemed to work. Now select camera and you'll see all of your video clips. One of the most exciting features about the ONE R app is the automatic AI editing, which can be found under the Shot Lab tab. In here you can select the shot that you want to create and then you select the appropriate clip, and then the app will create the shot automatically with no need to add any keyframes. To create these two shots I used the stop motion feature and the auto time shift feature, and I didn't input any keyframes. And I also didn't download them from the camera, so I edited them directly from the camera. There's no need to download them to the app. At the moment there are 5 other shots that you can select, and these include bullet time mix, jump planet, time flip, roll planet and star lapse. The only AI function that you won't be able to use with the ONE X is star lapse, because star lapse is a certain shooting mode that you have to select within the ONE R camera. Now you may be able to shoot some sort of night shot with your ONE X and then drop it into the star lapse in the Shot Lab, but I haven't tried it yet. I've only just started exploring the ONE R app. I haven't used all of the shots in the Shot Lab and I haven't explored all of the features. But now you know they're available to you, you can get out there and start shooting some really cool stuff and feedback any issues in the comments below. As well as these automatic AI features in the ONE R app, if you want to start manually editing, then there have been some really good improvements with the whole usability and the interface of this app. It includes a more intelligent tracking feature and a lot more export choices, and there are loads of other functions that I can talk about which I will leave for the full tutorial. So please subscribe and hit the bell so you're told straight away when that's uploaded. If you're a ONE X owner and you've no intention of upgrading to the ONE R but you're excited about the possibility of using the ONE R app, then please give this video a thumbs up. Have fun using your ONE X with the new app, and please share your examples in the comments below and tag me on Instagram at Insta360, and I'll see you in the next video.